nail polish. We made them last night, and it was actually really, really good. So I prefer nail polish than acrylic paints. They work better and they dry faster. And if you mess up, then you can just use nail polish remover. Oh no, this one. Yeah. Last night we made the mistake of putting cuticle oil on top of the Airless Pet Shop. But we thought it was top coat, but it really wasn't. It was cuticle oil. We're playing Christmas music. Yeah. So we're going to do the blue for the body. And then we're going to do this blue for the ears. And then we're going to put this blue sparkle things over the ears. Yeah. And it's like, it comes on clear. Well, with like blue sparkles in it. Last night we were trying to do the eyelashes. And this is our first coat. Dachshund. Yeah. We just started and we thought it would be a good idea to film it. And if you put tape on the eyes, it will rip off the cap, so we do it really any sticky tacks that you have. It works best. Like it works way better than tape. We're using this light blue. Here, I don't know what it's called. It's got Wet n Wild though. All of them. This one's not bad. Oh no, this one. Yeah, both of them are bad. Wet n Wild, except for the sparkly one. That one's called Glam. Glam. Something Glam. Random We're playing Christmas music. Oh, my dad's playing Christmas music. Yeah. I don't know why. Yeah. He's freaking tacky. It looks like an alien. Last night we were trying to do the eyelashes on the Dachshund, whatever, that we customized. And the black nail polish fell on the floor. Right there, like all on my leg. Well, it really depends on the brand. So the cat that we're using is a blind eye. Yeah. She's just airing, so we wanted to we got it. And plus she was like chipping and stuff. Yeah. We were going to make the dachshund like a snow thing. Yeah, but the white didn't show up at all. And we didn't, and we had white acrylic paint, but there's no bubbles. Yeah. Because we used it all on that bunk bed that totally failed. I know, like, it took us like a whole weekend, and then like, it just like fell apart. Yeah, it was awful. Because we used freaking tacky glue. It looks weird with like the blue jacket eyes. It looks like an alien. I feel like we could eat you. No, we could finish all poopy. No, but I will eat you. Yeah, but you're doing all day. So when are we going to do the bottle? Right now. And it dries and it dries within like 5 to 10 minutes. Well, I mean, it really depends on the brand. Yeah, but last night we used the brush paint, the pink. Yeah, and we got it finished in like 45 minutes. At the week's head, so like ding. And also, nail polishes were better because it's way cheaper than paint. Yeah. Yeah, and she's never. Well, most of the time. Yeah. Like at my craft store, acrylic paint is like $2 a bottle. And like you can get nail polish at like a grocery store for like 50 cents. Oh gosh, I'm pretty yellow. It's actually sunny today. Yeah, for the whole week. The whole week it's been like all poopy and crappy and rainy. But yes, it was pouring all day. It's horrible. Donovan. Patrick, I found something funnier than 24. Donovan.
Gary, we're on production. You got some hair stuck on your face. You're like a Fergie who was sent from outer space. You're really bright. You close your eyes. When I get up, I'ma go upstairs and shake my thighs. Everyone else in the world has armpits, but we're not the same because maybe my foot's not supposed to have extra toes. The way that you wear your tail makes me rub my nose. We're gonna eat all these snacks cause we're out of clothes. You don't know, you don't know how good we smell. If you could see all the cats I hate, I think that you call the shots cause I'm overweight. I'm pretty sure what I did was a big mistake. You don't know, you don't know how good we smell. I think I lost my pinky toe. I still can't read or tie my shoes, but it's okay cause I still made it on local news. My heart hurts and I'm in pain. Don't let this taste confuse you for my brain drain. Everyone else in the world has armpits, but we're not the same because get out of here! We're cold! You're not the here! Go drink a water bottle. What wine here? Maybe my foot's not supposed to have extra toes. The way that you wag your tail makes me rub my nose. We're gonna eat all these snacks cause we're out of clothes. You don't know, you don't know how good we smell. If you could see all the cats I hate, I think that you call the cops cause I'm overweight. I'm pretty sure what I did was a big mistake. You don't know, you don't know how good we smell. I think I lost my pinky toe. Meow, 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 meow.
do 2 coats. But I have to paint the bottom. The bottom. The butt. And then we're going to do this blue on the ears. Yeah, and then the sparkle. Okay, so let's start on the skin coat now. Tell me numbers. Something. They're going 1, 5, 5, 5. If you watch Bart Baker, you'll know what it is. He's awesome. It's like, it's not over 5, 5, 5. Who's that? I don't get that. It makes no sense, but it's so funny. Poop that. No, it's like 100 poop, I guess. Oh yeah. Can you see the nose? Oh no, I don't think so. What color should we do the nose? Well, maybe we can get black. Yeah. It really needs like some more paint right there. Yeah. There's nowhere to grab onto. Let's go there. No, shoot. It's okay. I got it. Save it. Cool. We're just gonna put on music. Yeah, because it's like that. Yay! 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 I don't know if you can see anything. I can say it. No, stupid ads. I don't like ads. Yay! I like this one. So do I. And you guys are a fan of Fat Sauce, you know that song. Yeah, if you really know your Fat Sauce. I hate when people say 5SOS. That's my sister. She's all dry. Well, and then we're gonna put the sparkles on her. So we're using this sparkle blue. And there we go. She has all the sparkles. I'm gonna hold you the feet here. Yeah, because we don't feel like it. Okay, now we're gonna take off. Yeah. Be really careful with this. You just need to fix that up a little bit, but you can use that one I leave. Yeah. I mean, it looks really weird now, but that's because it's not, like, fixed yet. But we're gonna fix it. No. Oh, shoot. Is that the blue tag? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so... I didn't film this part because it died. My iPad died. So all I'm really going to do is just paint around the eyes if there's like any of like the actual plastic showing. If you know what I mean by that. So just like paint over it like whatever color that this was. So yeah, I already did that and I already painted the nose black. And to do that I just used a toothpick. So if you want to make it look cool and you want to have eyelashes on it, so what you're going to do is take black nail polish, and then I'm just going to put some on here. So, put it up here. And close that, and then you're going to get your toothpick, and dip it in there and just draw the little eyelashes on. I'm gonna do this off camera because it's kind of hard for me to do it. So I did the one eye if it will focus. There we go. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, did the one eye. I'm gonna do the other one. I can't freaking get the one eye right. This is like the 5th time I'm trying it. I keep messing up. I'm gonna go try this one more time. Okay, finally I got it. Okay, she looks good. She's done. Now would be the time to put some sort of like sealer, paint sealer on it, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna leave it be until I get some sealer. So yeah, that's really how we make our costumes. That could have been really bad. But yeah, we need a name. And we also need a name for another costume that we made. So this one was the other one that we made. She's gonna mess up because she fell on the ground because my little sister pushed her. So yeah. Honestly, I like this one better though. But anyway, so we need names for both of them. I was thinking this one should be like gallery or something. I don't know about this one though. Yeah, so comment names for them and comment which one you like better. This one